In fact, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also expressed his deep sorrow now over the stampede at the Mahakumbh, which resulted in several deaths and injuries. In a tweet, he has extended his condolences to the families of the victims and wished for the speedy recovery of the injured. Kharge criticized the quote-unquote half-baked arrangements, mismanagement and excessive VIP movement, stating that despite spending huge amounts of money, the arrangements were inadequate. He has urged both central and state governments to improve systems. So Mallikarjun Kharge there hitting out again at the centre and the state over this incident. Arzu.
Now coming in after the stampede-like situation here at the Mahakumbh, where now the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also jumped in and expressed his condolence over the tragic incident at the Mahakumbh, where a stampede-like situation occurred in the morning, resulted in the loss of the life and also injuries to the many devotees, those who have taken to the hospital. And if we talk about, he has criticized the government for inadequate arrangement, VIP movement and prioritizing self-promotion over the effective management despite spending thousands of crore of rupees. So, clearly we can see, the attack has been made over the VIP culture, the VIP movement, and also the promotion that is being done by the Uttar Pradesh government. This is what the Kharge has to say. Kharge has appealed to the central and the state government to learn from this incident and improve the arrangement to prevent such incident in the future. He also urged the government to expand the facilities for the devotees, accommodation, food, primary medical care movement, and to curb the VIP movements. Furthermore, Kharge has requested the Congress worker to provide all possible help to the affected families. So,
absolutely,
from Akhilesh Yadav, the former Uttar Pradesh Mayawati, and now the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has in fact somewhere attacked the government over the arrangement at the Mahakumbh. But we continue